In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly meeting reminders 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to calendly.com. Click Login, enter your email address, and continue with your password to sign in securely. Once you're on your Calendly homepage, look for the Workflows section. This is where all the automation lives. Click Workflows, then choose New Workflow to get started. Calendly gives you templates to save time. Select the one called Email Reminder to Invitee. Give your workflow a clear name so you'll recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple event types. Next, choose which event type this reminder should apply to and click Apply. You can target a single event or multiple ones depending on your setup. Now, set the trigger. Click Edit next to When this happens. Choose before event starts as the timing, since we want a reminder to go out ahead of the meeting. Set the exact lead time that fits your process, maybe a day before, an hour before, or both, depending on how you want to nudge attendees. When that looks right, click Done to confirm. Move down to the Do This section and click Edit to customize the email itself. Here, you can adjust who the message is sent from and confirm it goes to the invitee. Pick a reminder template to jumpstart your content, then tailor the subject line to be clear and useful. For example, include the event name or timing so it stands out in the inbox. In the email body, keep things friendly and concise. Calendly's editor supports dynamic fields like event date, time, and location, so the details fill in automatically for each booking. This reduces manual work and helps avoid mistakes. If you see checkboxes for including standard details or links, tick the ones that make sense for your workflow, such as adding the reschedule or cancel link so invitees can manage their booking without emailing you. When you're happy with the content, click Done. If you'd like to add more actions, for example, a second reminder at a different interval, you can click Add Action and configure it the same way, otherwise you're set. Click Save to activate your workflow. That's it. You've created an automated email reminder that goes out before your Calendly meetings. It keeps attendees informed, reduces no-shows, and saves you from sending manual emails. If you ever need to adjust timing, content, or event types, just return to Workflows and edit your setup.